Hey guys, welcome back to Vlogmas. I changed my mind. Let me just tell you where I'm at. Because of scheduling around the New York trip, which I knew was already happening, I had to move my party up a week. Normally it's like right smack dab in the middle of the holiday season, and I have about 2.5 weeks post Thanksgiving to get it, everything decorated, get the whole meal put together, to do everything. And because I took my trip this year, I cut that time in half. So I was really pushing to get everything done, get the entire apartment decorated, to do the tree, to create the meal, do all my baking, everything. So one of the things I had to forsake was decorating the entire apartment. And that includes the outside. If you remember, I think it was the day before the party, I was running around trying to make sure everything got completed, both food-wise and decor-wise, setting up the table and stuff like that. And I looked outside and I still had all my fall stuff outside. And I was like, I'm having people over tomorrow. This has to change. And I don't have time to do an outdoor makeover. So I basically stripped all the fall stuff on. I put a couple pillow covers on my couch out there, threw some trees, didn't do anything to the trees, and said, that's gonna have to do it. And it was fine. It was fine. No one cared. I care. Fine has never been good for me. I was so focused on the inside of the apartment, I just did not have time to get to the outside. Last year we did like an entire outdoor makeover. Now, we're a week away from Christmas. And I don't necessarily want to do like a massive outdoor makeover, but I have been back from New York for a couple days now. And every time I walk up to this apartment, I'm just kind of sad. I love it when I get inside, it's all magical, it's holiday, but like outside, it just looks like I threw a couple trees up and called it a day. And that has never been my vibe. So we're fixing that. Even though we only have a week left, I love the holiday season, and if you do not create the holiday season in your apartment in LA, you don't really get it. I mean, it is like 75 degrees outside right now. So I am creating the holiday magic for myself, which means I need to get out there and do some stuff. Now, again, not doing a massive makeover because it's only gonna be there for a week, but I wanna bring some joy into my life. And the big thing that I feel like I'm missing, I make a fresh wreath every year. I love doing it, and I just knew I was not gonna have time before the party to not only make it, but go all the way down to the flower market and pick out all the greenery and stuff like that. So that is definitely happening, and it's probably good that it's only happening about a week before Christmas because it starts to get crispy after a while, especially in our weather right now. As much as I try to spritz it and stuff, it usually gets really crispy. So that's definitely happening. I was looking through my Christmas stuff this morning, and I used most of the stuff inside. I have a couple little odds and ends, and I have a relative idea of what I want to do outside. But we need to do a little bit of decor shopping. So that's what we're gonna run and do today. I wanna get some lights, because I use basically all my lights on the inside. I wanna get some lights to put on the trees out there, probably some little mini ornaments, because the only ornaments that I have left downstairs are like larger ones, and those are little trees. I want it to feel special when I walk up to my apartment, as special as it feels inside on the outside. So all that being said, today we are on the hunt to make this outdoor patio feel super special for the final week of Christmas. And honestly, I do it for my neighbors too, because if I don't put in the holiday spirit, no one does. So I got you guys. All right. Let's get this fixed. Do it. Back is still acting up, but feels much better than it did yesterday. It's hot. I want to do my fresh wreath on the front door, but I also have the sliding glass door right next to it. I was wondering if I should do something on those doors. Smaller, obviously, because they're like right next to each other, so I don't want it to feel overwhelmed, but maybe?
lot of my LED candles have melted because of the sun. I'm wondering though, I have like the LED tapers, like these ones that I used on the tree last year. Maybe I do some like taper candles out there. Oh, that could be cute. I have a bunch of those. I don't have any taper candle holders. Maybe I'll find some. Already moving into Valentine's Day. I like that one, and I like the one behind it. I just wish they had two that match, so I can put them on both the sliding glass doors. Yeah, because they're gonna be right next to each other, so they kind of have to match. I also don't want to make 3 wreaths. I guess I could. If I want to do 2 on the sliding glass doors, I might have to make them because I don't really like any of these. And I guess if I'm going to do 1, then what's 3? But I want them all to look different. Not all, but at least different from the front door. Alright, I think I'm starting to get a clearer idea in my head of what I want it to look like out there, which is exciting. Obviously, it's a week until Christmas, so a lot of their stuff is no longer here, but the stuff that is here is on sale, which we love. Whew. Honestly, maybe I should do all of my Christmas decor shopping like the week before Christmas because everything is a lot cheaper. A couple more places I want to hit up and then we should be golden. They are out of Christmas lights. So I am going to have to go to Plan B. So there was another place that I wanted to hit up, but I got there and it was insanely packed and just took it as a sign from the universe that I was not meant to go there. Or maybe I'll try to hit it up as I go to, I'm gonna go down to the flower market tomorrow so I can grab everything for my fresh wreaths. This trip wasn't as successful as I was expecting it to be. Honestly, I should have known it's a week before Christmas, so I was expecting there to be a lot less, but they were like, everybody's moved on. They got like Valentine's Day stuff up. That's okay. I'm gonna work with what I have because sometimes when I'm put in a box like that, it makes me even more creative and sometimes it comes out better than I even expected. So I will go over the little things that I did get. I think the big thing that really kind of inspired me that I love, I found these stems. Oh my gosh, if I can get them apart. I found these stems at Michael's. I love this like wine burgundy color mixed with the gold and the little bells. And that was the thing that kind of just like inspired me. I was like, oh, these are beautiful. They kind of match the little like berries that I have coming out of the tree in my bedroom.
which are more gold. So I did get some gold ones too. I think those can go in some of the garland and some of the trees that I have on the outside. And because that was inspiring me, I got some garland berries like this. This has some lights in it, so I think I'm gonna put these in some of the garland that I'm gonna put above the doors. Speaking of garland, I just got another cedar one, has some berries in it. Everything was super on sale, and I used all of my cedar garland in here already, so I just got 2 more of these just so I can have something to use out there. Found some of these small, like little, I don't even, you can see it, they're just little bells. I was looking for any kind of small ornament to go on those trees and to go into the garland, and they just didn't have anything left. Fine, I'm gonna work with what I have again. And I got a couple of just these larger ones because I just really, really loved the color on them. I loved the shape of it. It was unique. And I thought they could just be part of the garland, like above the door or something like that. I just got a couple of these because I'm not usually a big fan of the larger ones, but I just really liked the shape of it and the colors in it. And that's what I got this trip. I got stuff downstairs that I wasn't, I guess, planning on using, but we're gonna get creative because this is a last minute thing. And like I said, sometimes when I'm put in a box, I get my best ideas. So I'm gonna bring up some of the stuff from downstairs and we are gonna get this thing started. I'm going first thing in the morning to pick up the fresh greenery for my wreaths. I'm so excited to get down to the flower market because I don't think I've been for most of the year, and I usually go a couple times a year. So this will be really exciting to just get some fresh greenery in here. Last year we went crazy with the fresh greenery. I didn't do any this year, but we're gonna do at least a fresh wreath, and that's coming first thing tomorrow. So I will see you guys bright and early tomorrow.